Hi students, how are you? I hope we all are fine. Today our session is structural isomerism. We in previous session we already discussed the geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. In this session we are learn the structural isomerism. What is the structural isomerism? This is the isomerism in which ligands are arranged in different manners around the central metal atom in a coordination sphere is known as the structural isomerism. The structural formula of these complexes are same, but the arrangement of ligands around the central metal atom is different. In this coordination sphere is known as the structural isomerism. These isomerisms are classified into four types. They are ionization isomerism, ionization isomerism, next one linkage isomerism, coordination isomerism, coordination isomerism and ligand isomerism. These are the type of structural isomerism. What is the structural isomerism, students? In this type of isomerism, ligands are arranged around the central metal atom in a different manners. In this coordination sphere is nothing but structural isomerism. These are four types: ionization isomerism, linkage isomerism, coordination isomerism, and ligand isomerism. Now coming to this first one, ionization isomerism. Ionization isomerism. What is the ionization isomerism? In this type of isomerism is shown by such compounds which have the same composition but different in their ions in the solution. The two compounds have same composition, but the ions dissolving nature is different. In such isomers, this position of this group with coordination sphere is different. See this example. CO NH3 5 SO4 Br and CO NH3 5 Br SO4. See this one, sulfate is SO4 is in this coordination sphere, Br minus is ionization sphere. In this Br minus, in this complex, bromine ion is solution. This is a red color solution. This is violet or purple color solution. In this solution, the ion is bromine ion dissolved in the solution. It react with silver bromide with silver nitrate, gives yellow precipitate. In this complex, bromine ion is dissolved in the solution. It gives yellow precipitate with silver nitrate and silver bromide. This compound is partially soluble in NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide. This is red in color. In this solution come the same chemical formula, but different in their arrangement of ions in this coordination sphere and ionization sphere. In this compound, sulfate ion, SO4 minus ion is dissolved in the solution. It is a purple in color. It gives a white precipitate with BaCl2 solution containing dilute HCl. This is the ionization isomerism. In these two, the ions are exchanged between this coordination sphere and this ionization sphere. it gives different types of colors. The structure is same. The liberation of ions in these two compounds are different. One time Br, bromine, one time sulfate. This is the ionization isomerism. Now coming to the linkage isomerism. Linkage isomerism. This type of isomerism is shown by such complexes which contain a monodentate ligands having the more than one donor atom. Means these isomers, these complexes are behaves as a ambidentate ligand. Means one ligands behave dual nature. Both in that ligand have two donor sites. See this example. For example, cyanide. Cyanide attached to this metal on one time with carbon and another time with nitrogen. Same ligand is same, but two sides are attached to the metal atom. Here carbon attached to the metal atom, here nitrogen attached to the metal atom. See this example. CONH3 ONO 2 plus and CONH3 5 NO2 2 plus. This is the pentaamino nitrate O, cobalt 3 ion. This is the pentaamine nitrate O, cobalt 3 ion. This is pentaamino nitrate N, cobalt 3 ion. See here the ligands acts as a ambidentate ligand here. Both the donor sides are attached to the metal atom. Here oxygen is attached to the metal atom. NH3 5 COONO. Here NH3 5 pentaamine cobalt nitrate O. Nitrogen group is attached to the central metal atom. This is the linkage isomerism. One ligand acts as two donating nature is nothing but linkage isomerism. Are you clear? Next, coming to this coordination isomerism. Coordination isomerism. In this coordination isomerism, what happened? In this type of isomerism is shown by such compounds which contain both the cationic and anionic species, and it results the form of the random distribution of ligands. It acts as both cationic and anionic species. See this example. Through this example we will understand. CONH3 5 CONH3 6. This is the one complex. Chromium NH3 6. This is the chromium cyanide Cn. This is the one complex. Okay. The exchange of ligands here. Here cyanide ligand attached to the cobalt CO. Cobalt is attached to the cyanide ligand. Here chromium attached to the ammonium ligand. See here the metal atoms are exchanges the complexes. This is the coordination isomerism. what happened here in this both cations and anionic species, and the result in the formation of random distribution of ligand. Distribution of ligand. The ligands are distributed between these metal atoms random. Next one is ligand isomerism. Ligand isomerism. In this isomerism, there are many ligands which exist in as isomerism. Not only single ligands, many ligands exist in this isomerism. For example, a diamine derivatives of propane exist as following isomerism. Diamine derivative. See here. In this ligand, cobalt PN2Cl2. This is the chlorine here, and CO TN2Cl2. See here in this ligand, what we discussed, the 1,2 diaminopentane. PN means 1,2 diaminopentane. Here 1 NH3, 1 NH2. This one 1, 2, 1,2 diamine pentene. This is PN. Here 1,2, not 1,2 here, 1 and 3. Here the ligand 1, 2, 3. Here have NH2, here have NH2. This is 1,3 diamine triamine. 1,3 diamine pentane. This one TN means. Here in this ligand, what happened? There is a two forms, PN and TN are neutral ligands. Where the PN and TN and ligands are associated into complexes, then they obtain a complexes or isomers of each other. These are isomers of each other. When it is an isomers, when these are associated to complex, these are obtained a complex isomerism of each other. The structure of these complexes having the ligands PN and TN means 1,2 diaminopentane and 1,3 diaminopentane. In this one, this is the another example. This is the ligand isomerism. This is the structural isomerism and its types, students. If you like my video, please give a big thumbs up. Please share my video and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, comment in our comment section. I will try to explain that.
Thanks
For
watching.